Thank you for watching DJTV.
So that focus group, they just text message. A message from the researcher. Let's see what this is. Who's this? I got another invitation for focus and testing. Oh, booked it. Nice. Woohoo! Johnson & Johnson. What the hell is this?
This is Mike from Unreal Video Production. So we're going to have the rehearsal audition Saturday for one of the roles. We will be able to come.
Yeah, we're...
It's location in Tarzana City, close to North Hollywood.
Oh, perfect.
11:30 a.m.
Okay.
I will send you the details. Like,
I'm here in the valley, so Tarzana is perfect. It's nearby.
great, David. Okay, check it out. Check out the project again. Go PlayStation.
Are you gonna send the sides and the script?
We will send it soon, but not full script. So maybe your role.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Boom, finally. My first acting audition this year. Wow, thanks COVID. The first in-person one. I've been doing Zoom auditions and video auditions. This is my first in-person audition since the start of the pandemic. Crazy, right? They're gonna send me the sides, the location information. Confirmed for an acting audition next week. Perfect. Hopefully I book this role, yo. Let's go, grind mode. Back to doing more focus group screeners. I think I submitted for the role of Jimmy. Early summer, LA County. It's a SAG-AFTRA new media agreement. Perfect. They're gonna email me with the sides. I wanna try to be off book so I could get the best performance in. I don't really like cold reading. I wanna really memorize the lines. And it's perfect. The audition's in Tarzana. Tarzana is a couple towns over, about 15 minutes away from me. Down Ventura Boulevard. Yes. Mom. Keto tortillas. 6 grams of net carbs. Flip it over. For another 5 minutes. This keto chicken quesadilla though. Keto life. Church. Smells bomb. I just wish I had some hot sauce. I'm out of hot sauce. But we got this salsa though. Okay, I'm done with this. Shake it up, shake it up. Get it on the side. And there we go. But this keto chicken quesadilla with salsa dough. Keto dime. Keto life. Cheers. Salsa up in here. Cheers, y'all.
Orgasm in a tortilla for sure though.
Salsa's bomb with it too. Gotta have that salsa dough. Bomb. I think my taste buds just busted a nut, yo. Alright, let me enjoy this right now. Time lapse now. Perfect. Finally, an in-person audition. I got a busy week. I got a focus group that I gotta do in the morning. Got that audition at 11 a.m. Perfect. Oh, perfect role. The short film. $200 a day guaranteed. Not bad. Ooh, Filipino. As an actor, you know how rare it is to find roles for Filipinos? I'm surprised I got a role for Filipinos. Usually I'm playing Hispanic. To see a role for Filipinos, it's like I get a hella excited. Oh, I did not qualify. You win some, you lose some, folks. Just keep submitting. another. I'm getting hella invitations. I mean, I'm not complaining. It's just having to fill them out every time. It gets tiring. There's another one with 22 music. 3-day online discussion board. Pays $125. Sure. 2 letters in the mail from the EDD. Got my extensions for another 13 weeks. Nice. So I gotta log in right now. Got my bulletproof coffee here. It should be ready in about 10 minutes. Let me get like an aesthetic background going on over here. There we go. Log into this focus group and then PayPal me the money. Cheers.
Great, thanks that you could make it.
Yeah,
I'm just going to give you a quick introduction. No right or wrong answers. We're just actually interested in hearing what works for you, what works. So feel free to complain or suggest or whatever you think. First of all, could you just, what is it that you do? What is your business?
I run like several businesses. First off, I'm in the entertainment industry here in Los Angeles. So I'm an actor. I'm Screen Actors Guild. Due to COVID, LA is pretty bad. So like my acting gigs have been really slow. So I also have an e-commerce. I have an eBay store. Poshmark. I sell clothes, fashion. Sometimes I'll make my own clothes and sell it. Amazon FBA. I've been really focused on social media. I have a YouTube channel. Just recently got it monetized, so that's another stream of income. I invest in crypto and like the stock market and side jobs and side gigs like Fiverr, freelancer. I do graphic design. I do video editing for content creators. I pretty much just do everything. I'm also a DJ. As you can see, I have my turntables here. So I live stream music. I do a little bit of music. I songwrite. I record podcasts here and there. Overall creator. I like to create things and I like to sell stuff.
I'm getting that idea. Let me just understand a bit your experience with doing ads, Facebook ads particularly. What is that most related to of these different businesses that you're active with?
Okay, so
can you give me an example of a campaign that you have run on Facebook ads, or what audience did you choose? Yeah, so Facebook is constantly trying to improve their tools. I'm the research on it. I'm not with Facebook, but with the research.
I'm awesome.
Interface.
I'm like, oh wow, I'm the reason why they have that now. You know, that'd be cool.
That would be cool, right? So that's it, David.
Awesome.
So I wish you good sales and
definitely.
success with all your many endeavors.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Take care.
All right, have a good day. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You too.
Just like that, $100. Sharing my opinion on Facebook ads. Okay. Focus group life. Bam.